Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 24th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and make your own decisions. Sorry for my attire. It was in a holiday in Canada for me. So Palantir closed up 47 cents. We are happy to see this at 21.22, up 2.27%. Post-market seems to be flat, even Steven at 21.22. We are going to take that. Let's look at the chart. So remember we have this resistance at $21, and resistance that was used often in the past. We had this resistance, and now, well, let me just backtrack a bit. We broke it on May 18th, but then the stock got shy and went back underneath it, but then was coiling up. Remember on Friday where the higher low, we saw this higher low, so we said, ooh, this is interesting. We had been making higher lows here, but yet we were not breaking above $21. So basically the stock was really cut in between the support and the resistance, a rock and a hard place. And then the expectation was that the stock would be jumping out of that. It did not really jump out of that. It walked out of that, but still we are going to take it. So we have a small bodied green candle, a little bit longer wick at the bottom than the top. So basically the market is inching up higher a little bit. Let's go to the 1 hour chart before I mention something. So, okay. 9:30 was here. So 9:30, 24th, yeah, today. So basically we opened above 21. So that's very interesting. Then during the first hour, we closed the first hour right on 21. So that was used as support. Then we went underneath it and we were stopped. Well, we opened here and then went back down, and a little bit during that hour we touched this support that we have had, then some sideways action, then broke 21 quite in a shy manner, I would say, and then nice green candle, second green candle, well, third green candle, longer wick here. So this was already showing some selling pressure at that point, and sure enough there was a little bit of a down candle here, but we are still with a higher low than the previous hourly candle. So we cannot complain too much. We got some little push. And what I wanted to say before I went into the hourly chart is that we have a small, look at this. Nothing is by chance. Nothing is random. Look at this. So see, now this high of the day is almost precisely the same as the high of on May 18th. Just a little thing. This is just a small little resistance. Let's look at the stochastic. Stochastic is climbing up, so we like to see this past 50 some time ago, and now it's climbing a little bit higher at 57. That's always nice. MACD has crossed over not too long ago. It's still positive in terms of the blue line over the orange line, but both lines are still negative. So to have a really good long-term push, we need to have the MACD cross over on the positive side. But still, we are going to take this crossover, even though it's on the negative side under the 0. So we are going to take that, but it's going to have like, it's going to switch to a higher gear, a second gear, when both lines go positive. And I am preparing a video to explain to you how to use and what they are. How to use moving averages, and basically MACD is a computation on a moving average. So in that video, you will understand what is a moving average, how you can use it to trade, and also, of course, how we are using MACD on this channel to help us trade. So this is coming soon, within a week or two. So green thumb here, and the DMI, which is very slow to change from bearish to bullish, but when it does, it's for good. It's for good. So DMI is still not close to switching. So I suspect this is just a projection. I might be wrong, but I suspect the stock will have to stay underneath this resistance here for a while before the DMI switches and then lets the stock go loose. And I should convert this resistance into support now. So that's always a nice thing to do. So basically, the stock, let's hope that the stock stays above 21. That would be the best case scenario. If not, the second best case scenario is staying above 1942. We at least need the stock to do this, and eventually we are going to need to look at this resistance here that has been in play for quite a long time. We are going to take a look at when this resistance is going to be broken. I don't think it's going to be broken soon, but we are just going to pay attention to this. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for commenting. I read all of your comments. Thank you for liking. Thank you for clicking the bell. We have a Discord server where you can discuss with other like-minded people. We have a Patreon account that you can take a look at too. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.